Hello dear students, we are going to discuss lesson 4 bioengineering in unit 1 the living systems. So if you look at the picture shows a pacemaker, a cardiac pacemaker. This pacemaker is basically placed in the human heart in order to control the heart vibrations. So if sometime the person they are getting some heart problems and their heart is not able to pump the blood normally, this cardiac pacemaker can help. So this cardiac pacemaker is a technology. Technologies such as pacemakers can be used to solve health problems. So what is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. So if we look around, we can find everywhere there are a lot of technologies. In our classrooms, at our home, everywhere we can find a lot of examples of technology. These technologies help us complete our work and solve real-life problems. Bioengineering applies to the concepts of engineering to living systems, to living things. Through bioengineering and scientific advancements, biotechnology has developed that allow people to live longer, healthier lives. If you look at an example, the cochlear implant, they have a microphone and speech processor which picks up sound from the environment. A transmitter and stimulator convert signals from the processor into electrical signals. So engineers must balance the benefits and risks and cost of each design solution. So this cochlear implant is an example of a technology design solution. Scientists ask questions to learn more about phenomenon and engineers they design solutions to the problems related to that phenomenon. So this back and forth between scientists and engineers is the part of process known as research and development. So if you look at an example, there is an engineering process. Societies around the world gain access to clean drinking water through new technologies designed such as improved devices to transport water and new wells. So here the scientists they make investigations while the engineers they put these problems and find out their solutions by designing new devices. Engineers and scientific inquiry both involve a set of principles and general sequence of events. The engineering design process is a method used to develop or improve technology. This process is iterative meaning it uses repeating steps, meaning that it keeps on repeating. It is like kind of loop-based process. So engineers do not always apply these steps in the same order. Sometimes they may skip one step and they may repeat another order. So it depends on the type of problem and the way how to find out its solution. So if you look at this chart, it shows the different steps of engineering in life science. It always starts with identify a problem. If they conduct a research, they define and delimit the problem. If the problem is well defined, they will move to the next step, which is designing solution. If it didn't work, they are going to define and delimit the problem again. From the second step, designing a solution, they will brainstorm some ideas. If it worked, they are going to move to the next step, which is redefine a problem. If it didn't work, they are going to brainstorm some other solutions. In this way, they optimize the design solution and then at the end, they communicate the results with each other. So this well-defined set of steps ensure that engineers take a thoughtful and complete approach when designing a solution to a problem. If the engineers have identified the constraints and criteria for solving a problem, the next step is to brainstorm design as we have discussed in our previous slide. By having all these step-by-step information, they can finally design a proper solution to the given problem. So if you look at this picture, this is an engineering process. Make a decision matrix to the 3 CPAP machines shown above. So if you look at the 3 different CPAP masks, These masks are designed based on the different constraints, based on the different problems, and they can help to solve the problems of different patients based on their problems. So I hope the topic is clear. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the class. Thank you and have a good day.